day 6 giveaway, and I can't wait to show y'all this is this cute. You get Ardell lashes, and then you get this eyeshadow. You also get a mascara by It, and then you get this eyeshadow by The Buzz Blue, and then you get a Lipgasm lip gloss. Okay, let me show you the color real quick. That's the color. So this is day 6. Go ahead and enter into this giveaway. You know what the rules are. The information is in the description box. Good luck to you guys. We are getting close to day 11. We will be choosing the winner. Can you imagine if one person wins all this? Man, what are the odds? Anywho, I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's giveaway. Bye.